I saw heaven in your eyes tonight, like the stars were shining soft and bright. And from the moment you took my hand, I knew this love was heaven planned. Through every road and every mile, you've been my hope, my reason to smile. And I will stand right by your side for all my days, for all my life. Where you go, I'll go. Where you stay, I'll stay. Your heart will always be my home, forever and a day. Your people will be mine. Your faith will lead the way. And with the Lord above us, our love will never fade. When the world feels cold at night, we'll hold on through every fight. With grace and mercy from above, God will guide this lasting love. Every prayer and every tear only brought us closer here. Now our story has begun, two hearts becoming one. And if the